Faced with an unpredictable global pandemic, today's field service teams are under pressure to balance customer support with fast-changing safety and travel guidelines. With the limitations around on-site visits, companies need to quickly adapt to the new normal and rethink how they can keep customers up and running at this critical time. It's why companies are relying more and more on remote condition monitoring and remote assistance capabilities that help maintain business continuity throughout unpredictable conditions. With augmented reality and the Internet of Things, technicians can quickly connect to customers and equipment in the field to support maintenance, repairs, and operations. By leveraging these digital transformation tools, service teams can prevent customer downtime and provide best-in-class service from any location in the world. Companies already using digital transformation-driven service solutions are well-positioned to endure today's challenges and address tomorrow's unknown business dynamics. For those that have yet to embark on their digital transformation, the pandemic has only underscored the immediate need for these technologies. With high-value use cases for wherever you are in your digital transformation journey, it's the perfect time to optimize your service model to overcome new challenges. Visit ptc.com/remote service to see how PTC customers improve their service quality with remote condition monitoring.